Hi everyone, I am Dr. Nandapalaji, Assistant Professor of Physics. Today we are discuss about crystal. What is crystal? Crystal is a bulk material. In this bulk material, we have get a lot of applications and properties. Now today we discuss about crystal growth properties. We all know that lot of bulk materials in nowadays. In this material we can take several type of applications. Lot of materials have a colorful but lot of non-colorful. Someone like us very shape oriented but someone non-shape oriented. These are outer material layers. So the bulk materials are outer stated material. So we can say and we can prove crystal. What is crystal? Crystal is a internal atomic or molecule bonds. That is called a crystal. So today we have developed lot of internal atomic or molecule level structure, bulk structures. So that type of structure we can say material. Another one is non-crystalline structure. What is the difference of crystal structure and non-crystal structure? In atomic level structure, lattice point and basis point are enlarged with same atomic probability is called as crystalline structure. And non-crystalline structure. In this non-crystalline structure, it is an amorphous material. So, the crystalline structure, we have know that examples of gold, aluminum, silver, copper, gallium arsenide. So, these are materials are a crystalline structure material. So, these materials have a lot of bulk materials. So, these are called crystals. In these crystals, it has a sharp melting point. So these crystals have a sharp melting point. We have utilized a lot of material in this gold, silver, diamond, as usual like us lot of material. So in nowadays, the materials of gold, silver, we have take a lot of elements in the day-to-day life material. As well as the crystals of solids know that the marbles, tiles, like as the classification of solids. One is crystalline material, another one is non-crystalline material. These type of we are showing. First we got take it crystalline material. In this crystalline material we have two different types. One is single crystalline material, another one is polycrystalline material. What is single crystal material? In single crystal material, any one atom or molecules bonded along with them. That is called a single crystal method. What is single? Single means single person. So single atom, single molecule, single probability of particles. This is called as a single crystal. What is called as polycrystal? Polycrystal means one or two or other materials doped with or molecules are bonded with each other pattern. This is called polycrystals. These polycrystals show that lot of material. We have lot of examples of crystalline material, metallic crystal, non-metallic crystal. We know that non-metallic crystal is germanium, silicon, carbon, etc. Germanium, silicon and non-metallic glass is called as iron, copper, silver. Non-crystalline materials have examples of glass, rubber and plastic. In next class, we have discussed about other crystalline structure oriented topics. Thank you very much.